The next step is to select the Select and Mask button up here and set the transparency to 100%. So if you look at this, this is actually the exact opposite of what we want. So if this happens to you, all you need to do is come up here and select Subject and say OK. So this is really what we want. And what happened is that the perimeter was selected as well in the previous step. By selecting that, that's the answer to that problem. We also need to come over to Smooth and set this to about 50% or so. That's fine. And then pick OK. If your screen looks something like this, you'll have to come down here and I'll just pick Adjustments, and then over here on Layers, pick that. And then this little symbol right here, go ahead and pick that. This is the end of the process in Photoshop. And the last step is to File. And I'm just going to go ahead and Save As. And go into the H drive and pick on my SketchUp 2 folder and rename it here as a self component, or you can put your name there. And I have one already there, so I'll just put -me, whatever, and pick Save and say OK, and you're done.